Once you've started the installer, a welcome splash will appear. Click Next to continue. Tick the checkbox to accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose Components. For this instance, we want to ensure that Voice and Web Portal are selected and click Next. Select the destination folder to install. Select the destination folder for the Web Portal portion of the installation. Enter the details of the administrator account on the system. In this video, we are logged in as administrator and can use local system account. Fill in the details for the SQL server we will be connecting to. You cannot proceed from this step until you have used the Test Connection button and it has been successful. Please note the text in red during this step. During this time, you will see additional windows open, installing different required components, including a prompt that appears. To install .NET Framework, click Download and install this feature. We have cut these lengthy install sequence from this video. The installation is complete. Click Close and contact the help desk for an appropriate license.